referencing?
Oh, it will in a minute. We got 3 minutes till the mortar strike. Hold. Move, move, move. Ow, fuck. I might be out of ammo. I might be out of ammo. Fuck.
We fought and died for what we believed was justice and freedom. However, once the smoke had cleared, we were left with nothing but the accusations that we were the oppressors. Our actions were in the guidance with what we believed was an organization that had not only our best interests in mind, but the best interests of the common man.
Really?
However, in reality,
The brave man.
nothing but a ploy to plunge our homes into chaos and then to seize power from the ashes. Today we are tasked with something that no one should be asked to do. Today, we are tasked with ensuring a world free from oppression from a group that answers only to themselves. This group is known as the Syndicate. A cowardice organization that lives only in the shadows, an organization that chooses greed and power over the freedom of everyone else. They plan to utilize chemical weapons to kill indiscriminately and take control through fear. I will not mince words with you fine people. What we are about to do is going to be a hard fight, and it will require sacrifice. To that end, just know that I am not asking you to do something that I am not willing to do myself. Today, as I have in the past, I will be with you on the field of battle. I will be there to make the sacrifices needed.
Wow.
We will bring this monster in the dark into the light.
Oh, if only we had known.
It's at 86%. That's good enough. That'll last us a while.
Hello, this is Rogue One Actual, and welcome to the video. This is my account of Operation Downfall, hosted November 8, 2025 by Ballahack Airsoft. Quick synopsis: the Citizens Legion and the Syndicate are locked in a fierce struggle for control of the field. The Legion's task is to take out 3 AAA emplacements around the village, secure or destroy data centers, weapons depots, and a chemical lab, and finally, prevent the Syndicate from extracting from the area with their remaining assets and an HVT. The Syndicate's task is to prevent all of what I just said from happening. I was out here with my 4 squad mates: Achilles, my younger brother, 404 Not Found, yes, that's actually her nickname, Achilles' fiance, Kestrel, an old friend and fellow YouTuber, and Chief Kirby, another old friend. Downfall was a lot of fun, but it was such a shit show. Our battle plans fell apart right from the start of the game, progress felt very slow and unrewarding a lot of the time, and several of us suspected that there were some players who weren't calling their hits, especially in the final stages of the game. But just watch the following footage from Phase 1 and you'll see what I mean here.
I'm either A or AB.
Let's go!
Go, 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 go!
Oh boy. I don't know, they fucking moved up. Ooh, that was close. Yeah, we're good, we're good. Why are we all gaggle fucking? Spread out! First platoon, start moving! How are we looking? I don't know, just go, 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 go! Move and shoot, move and shoot! Ah, fuck, our MG's already down. MG's down.
Connex 2!
Ship fire to Connex 2!
Watch out!
Fucking A. Oh, fuck, hit.
Ooh, you alright?
Yeah, right in the head, I'm fine.
Everybody's
Medic!
Why is everyone dying?
Medic, walk it back, don't wait.
Where is Why do we all go in one direction?
Group is moving, Dagger, move with them! Go, go, go! Move to cover, go! Holy shit! Holy shit! Hi, boss. Excuse me, sorry. You good? Are you hit or are you just laying there?
I'm hit!
Pass me your bandage. Holy shit.
Sorry.
All right.
Watch your... Oh my god. Actually, I'm dead. I can't take it.
Come on, come on.
No, it's good.
All right, you're up. Changing mags, changing mags.
I'm gonna like pull you aside real quick. I'm not in firing range.
I'm already smelling grenade smoke.
Yeah, already?
Oh.
Behind the bus! Push!
For sake. All daggers, this is Rogue Actual. If you're still behind the bus, get a bunch of people to go with you and move up. We cannot stay stuck behind there forever.
I'll get that guy. Oh, what the? On the right side, too? Bradley just pulled me over.
I'm good, I'm good. I got you, bud. I got you. I got you. This is totally not gay. Oh, yeah. It's supporting the homies. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Behind the bus or left, watch it.
Yo.
Oh my god, they're all there.
They're all
lined up in the same.
Well, I guess like somewhat.
Best laid plans, right?
I got hit.
Waddle over here. Hand me your rag.
This is looking like worse and worse of a position.
I know.
Oh my god, I'm legit.
Well, they need more cover out here. Yeah.
All right, hold your arm out.
Watch your back, watch your back.
Of course. Of course. Hey, watch your head, watch your head.
He's up, he's alive.
Hey, watch. They're looping.
All right, you're good.
Here. Oh, contact.
Yep, no full auto, guys. No full auto in the field. That's not full auto, this is.
Fit through the window?
Yeah.
You actually go through it? Is it fast?
Hey, you with the dead rag on. You have your bandage? Scoot over here, I'll get you. All right, hand me your bandage, just stick out your arm.
Hey, two of our friendlies just went down right there. Is that, yeah. Whoa. That was a ricochet. Stand by, your hot mic is right coming in. Right here, the sniper turret. Oh yeah. This is real nice.
Yeah, until someone comes around the corner and absolutely swaps the rest of us.
Which is definitely going to happen here soon.
Come on in, cowboy!
Those are all of our support weapons.
I don't know. I've got one in my squad, but I don't know what happened to him.
Yeah, mine went down immediately, so.
Achilles, this is Rogue. What's your status?
Oh, yeah. Good luck.
Say again. Came over broken.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Oh, for God's sake.
I'm trying 4-4, Dagger 4-4, out responding. I'm tired.
Someone else needs to shoot. I don't have a good angle.
I don't see it. I know.
Hey!
Oh, this is fantastic.
This is not going well at all.
No, it is not.
On now.
This is Rogue to all Dagger. Be advised, radio chatter is coming in very broken.
I'm dead. I don't have
Yeah, I'm not a medic, but I can handle bandaging people. Come here. Just stick your arm out. So, strictly speaking, it's Velcro, but tying it off just makes more sense. All right, partner, stick out your arm. Ah. All right, that's not super tight, so, but it should stay on. You just won't worry about it.
Returning with dead. Okay, be advised, Tempest Bravo is pushing on the east side. Over and out.
Our friendlies on this corner are doing good now.
For the Dagger PL, accelerating.
I should have grabbed my radio before I left the house. That's stupid of me. If we clear it out, then we can pick them up.
Dagger lead to all Daggers. Be advised, we have a mortar strike, friendly mortar strike coming in on the left side, west side. Be ready. I swear, it's not loaded. Kaboom.
You know the ETA on the mortar strike?
Hey, guys, stand by. We're about to make a huge push. All right, you ready on me? Come on. Ready to move.
Come on.
Hey, Achilles, let's go.
Even better.
You recording? Yeah.
Okay.
Pray to God the battery lasts.
All right, where's 404 at?
I don't know. The comms have been cut to shit. I mean, I don't know if it's just me or the rest of you, but
Mortar strike.
this.
We're pushing you and All right.
I am
Guys, ready?
outside the firing range.
Hey, all right.
Went to the contact box with me and Rose. We're going to link up and we're going to push with the mortar strike. Stand by, mortar strike incoming.
404, just go where everyone else is running. All right. Let's kick some ass. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Move, move, move! Ow, shit! Keep moving! Jesus Christ! Hey guys. Oh boy, that looks incredible. How did we not take out more with that? Oh jeez.
You good?
Yeah, I think so.
Ricochets.
Yeah, it's mostly ricochets.
That's not.
Hey, what are we looking like?
Dad, you guys just
We had too crammed. Yeah, a bit.
I mean, hey, I like being surrounded by this many sweaty men. That's crazy.
Sounds like it's up your alley.
Yeah. Can someone help me turn around so I can get back shots?
None of this is going in my video, just telling you that right now.
I know.
Yeah, you can. Shite.
You good?
This was a terrible place to hide.
Yeah, okay. I mean, but we got good cover.
Ish.
No, I'm getting lit up like Christmas.
Achilles, stick your arm through between the two men and give me your bandage.
Stick my arm into men, got it.
Something like that.
Watch out.
Sorry, I did not mean to cause corner fire at us, but
All right. All right, come here.
directly across.
Slower and more up.
It's both. Then we kill everybody.
All right, that should hold. All y'all's breath is terrible.
How do you even smell that?
Honestly, I don't know.
LMG. Oh, they're crammed.
It is, yes.
Nuh-uh. Guys, I'll cover, go.
Guys, move, he's covering.
Where do we run to? I don't know where to run by.
Go to that. Move, move, move. Go, go.
Jesus.
Hit. Move, move. Move, damn it.
Come on! Jesus, that's a lot of mud. Yeah, I got you. Further up your arm a bit.
Oh, sorry, Marshall. In there, Thomas. In there, yeah. Sorry. In there, in there. In there. Hey! Yes! Hey! In there!
Holy shit.
How many more do you have left? I don't know. Two of them all.
Rip, did that just rip now? Because that was not a great fashion choice for today. Oh dear. Oh my god. Fuck, right on my eyeballs. I don't know if, ow. Hit. Where's my dead rag? It's in here.
You're good, grab the badge.
It's in here.
You're on the corner.
Holy fucking shit.
Catch one of them out.
What?
Catch one of them out.
No, right on the, yeah, right in here.
Hey, that's a good spot.
Whew. Saved me, that's for sure.
Jackson, you up?
Oh, fuck, right on the head. I'm hit. Oh, that hurt.
Okay, I'll call.
Ooh, okay. That stinks, but I'm okay.
I'm dead.
Jesus! All right, well, that's all of us, Dad.
That's everybody.
Yeah, that's everyone. Pull your dead rags, pull your dead rags. Jesus! Somebody wave your dead rag out that fucking door so we don't get hit again. Yeah, alive, yeah. Hey, wait a minute. You got me last time when I was here at Phantom Menace. What do you mean it's not releasing?
He's not letting go of the last run. The hydraulic after it shut off there for a second.
Oh, get out of the way. Jesus.
That's everyone!
It's working! It's starting up again!
Hey, we're not.
If you insist.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, today
How
is not going as planned.
It's really not, no.
That much is obvious.
We're making progress, but not enough.
Tell me you have more max for that.
Yeah, I got these guys.
Cool, cool.
Nice. Oh, man.
This whole thing is fucked.
Camera rolling.
Yeah.
Cool.
This whole,
Got something to show you.
what would that be? Holy smokes, where'd that come from?
Me asking her to marry me.
On the field?
On the field, yeah.
Are you an idiot?
I asked her before. I just wanted to get your reaction on camera. Anyways, this glove is fucking hot.
Why did you agree to this?
Because I thought it was funny. Hi, how you doing? That's the only good part of it.
Okay, On 3, go.
We are going to cut all the way out to the right along the yellow tape and try to hit the sap link from behind.
Good luck. Ugh. Fucking hell. Oh! Fuck! Ow! God! Oh! Ow, ow, ow. I gotta get on. Ow. That fucking hurt. I'm getting off the field. Ow.
See that guy sitting there from that big
Hey. Ow. Son of a bitch.
At the risk of pissing off any veterans who might be watching this, Phase 1 felt like the airsoft equivalent of Fallujah. We spent 2 to 3 hours hiding behind whatever cover we could find, constantly under heavy fire, and barely made much forward progress. We did complete some of our objectives, but from my perspective, we didn't achieve anything more than a new record for headshots. I think the biggest reasons we stalled out was the Syndicate's forward deploy at the beginning. That really messed up our strategy right out the gate, and our own team's unwillingness to push forward through the hail of pellets. And I'm not immune to this. I was just as averse to getting shot as everyone else. These are just my personal thoughts as to why Phase 1 did not go as intended for the Citizens Legion. Bottom line, Phase 1 was an absolute slog to get through, and we went on break afterwards feeling exhausted. But if Phase 1 was our Fallujah, then Phase 2 was our Vietnam.
Holy fuck!
Alright. No, find somewhere else. Go from the room. Oh, this is gonna be fucking interesting. This is Rogue Infantry Element. Hold your fucking ground. That quick? What the hell? Guys, our medic's already down out here. Yeah, I'm on it. Hey, cover that side for me for a sec, will you? Okay, take a knee, quick. Bandage. All right, you're good. Medic is back up. We got 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes till the mortar strike. Hold. In there. Can you move over there and help him? I know, but you could use an extra gun on that side. You've got an open area there. Oh shit. Connex to the left of Connex 1-6. That's where they are. We got a friendly down. Walk it out that way. We're almost there, just hold. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, shit. Say again, say again. Good to hear! Reloading! What? Connex 8! Connex 8! Behind! 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 We got coming behind us! Oh, fuck! I'm hit! And also, voice crack! Just tie it. There's way too much to tie it off.
Just tie it off.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, that's one way to do it.
Yeah. They never said it had to be pretty.
Yeah. Yeah. For now, at least. Ah, fuck. Ahead again. Shit. This is Rogue. I'm going back to respawn. I'm going, I'm going.
This is Kirby. Copy, I've still got 404 with me.
Achilles, right here.
This trail intersects and some of your guys are pinned down, so we need to help them out.
All right, well, let's get going then.
Thomas is not like that.
Can they retake this spawn point?
No, they can't.
No, this is our spawn point for the rest of the game.
There you are.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay.
I never even
Sounds
met
like
her
Kirby and Kestrel off on their own.
I guess so, yeah. We'll have to either link up with them later or we'll figure it out. Let's go.
Go down this road and there's a clearing.
I just chugged a crap ton of water.
Medic should not lead. Somebody take the lead.
All right. We going this way? Yep. He's on the radio. All right, let's move. Let's just go.
You two go first.
MG, keep on that right side. Then we better pick up the pace. Oh, blind man! Blind man! Blind man! Hold it! Hold it! Oh, that's not good.
Let's just hope no one started a fire. Or broke their leg this time.
That'd be nice. Yeah, broke their leg in half.
Yeah.
Got it. All right, guns on safety.
Turn that on safe.
All right, keep pushing. It's this way. It's this way.
Fall back.
What? What? We just got here. Shit! Fucking hell. I don't know where the shit I'm shooting.
What happened?
Hey, him. Yeah. Right here. Machine gun right here.
Okay, go, go.
Where?
I don't understand.
I don't know what's happening.
What the hell's going on?
I don't know.
I wasn't asking you, sorry. Go, go, go! Cover and shoot! Cover and move! Move! I got you covered! Shit! I'm out! I'm out! I'm out! Apparently! Go! Go! What the heck happened? We were...
Why fall back? I don't understand.
Because they weren't making any headway.
It don't matter. We're just supposed to cut them off from there, not let them advance. That's the whole thing. We're not supposed to let them come down.
Get on command comms. Ask them why we're retreating. 1-1. This is Dagger lead. Why are we pulling back?
Don't make no sense.
I don't have command comms. Oh, I was on the wrong radio.
Yes, you were.
1-1. This is Dagger lead. Why are we pulling back?
Taking good damn headway.
Shit. I've got nothing. I don't know what the hell's going on anymore.
I know, right?
Yeah, what the hell?
Guys, does anybody need water? You need a medic?
I can use drink water, but who's in sip of water?
Anything for the press that's doing good work for us? Hey, those are our guys! Get positive ID! Let's do fun stuff here.
Thank you.
What's going on?
What is happening?
Why are we falling back?
Because you can't push forward there. Those are our guys in the swamp.
Why not? Okay, well, is there an alternate way to get to the halfback? Because
The only other way that I know is you can go through the woods all the way on the right side of the field, or you can try and push down the middle, but I don't see anybody getting through the middle without support in the woods.
We still got a couple guys trapped in the middle.
In the middle?
Help them out. We can go help them out on our way there.
hey, anybody that's got a bandage, go find a medic and get your bandages taken off. All right, everyone who's up, let's go. Come on. How's the tape holding?
Fine. How are we on time, Ro?
What?
How are we on time? What time is it?
It's probably close to 3 o'clock by now.
Okay, jeez.
They might be close. They said, ref said they might end a little before 5, so
Took me with
yeah.
this. This is great. This is what we're fun in the first half, but I am tired.
Yeah, I know. Me too. Shit! Move, move, move! Don't get bogged down. Keep pushing up to the right. Right of the intersection.
But I need you on the right side of the road so we can move past you.
Move! Everyone with me! Jesus Christ! Give me more! Give me more people up here! I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit! Ow! Go, go, go! Keep going, keep going. I'm hit. Keep pushing up, keep pushing up. I'm hit. Keep pushing forward.
Do we have a medic? Yeah, right here. Okay. Hold that!
Reloading.
Any off. Stay back.
Oh shit! Fucking A. Wait, I just realized I'm technically firing while injured. You up? I'm up. Go, move, push up. You too. Are you? Yeah. That one. That way, that way. You too. Hold that side. That's the direction we need to move. That's that. Cover that side. Got it. Everyone. There we go. Keep playing dead man walking. You guys over front. Okay. Cover that side. Go cover that side. Stairs. Stairs, yeah.
Man, the PP breaks in here are crazy.
Agreed.
For the dagger heading to respawn.
Copy that.
No.
Look at Dave.
Push up front.
Pretty good. Only bad thing was me getting pulled out of in the back by my one.
That's always fun.
And it's not like, oh, I crossed into the line of fire. No, I'm standing still on a pillar. I'm 5 feet above your target, standing still in the ocean.
Back it.
How do you hit?
If you guys are up, I need you going down here.
I've been funneling people that way.
This way. Oh my God, I feel sick. This might. Gotta get to the 12th one.
Oof.
You need to be careful, man.
I play very aggressive. I like
you need advantage.
But I wanted to frickin' strike you.
Okay.
Oh God.
Why are we stopping?
So we're getting a drone strike. We're getting a drone strike down over there. Once we do, we're gonna rush it.
Okay. Do we have an idea of how deep the water is over there?
At least 15.
Oh, you've got to be. I've got my wallet and my phone in me. I can't go in that.
Oh, stick to the right. Spread out. Are we getting a drone strike down there?
In a second.
Okay, good. Drone strike is going down. I would not go in there. That way is real big. We got a drone strike going down. Once we do that, we're rushing. Sounds good.
It's a bit of a corridor, but we'll make it work.
Not Russian or American. We can do both. We have the technology.
That bit can go in the video.
I've been playing such peak support. I've been giving people water. I've been giving suppressing fire. I've been pulling people out. I've been swapping batteries for people. I've been doing it all.
Ever since you got engaged, you've become a different person.
You got unplugged.
No, it's fine. The battery's starting to
I need
die.
everybody on their feet. I need everybody to get ready.
All right, let's do it. Possibly.
It's just because I smack him in the head if he doesn't see it.
Oh, there goes that. I wonder if the camera caught it.
Hey guys, everyone get ready, but try to stay quiet. All right? We don't want to let them know that it's about to happen.
As my roommate last semester said, I just keep him in a cage and I spray him with Dr. Pepper if he behaves.
Yeah, it went waist high. It covered my phone.
Hey, now, go.
Now, move!
Go.
Ow! shit. I might be out of ammo. Shit. Come on. Oh, fuck. I'm hit. Fuck. So fucking close.
Everybody died, bro.
Everybody. How the hell do we keep missing like 2 or 3 guys with our drone strikes? Yeah. This is ridiculous. I mean, at least I got some decent footage of us running through the woods at least, but this is ridiculous.
Hey, he's friendly.
Oh, well, you know, oh, hold on, that came off.
That guy looks friendly.
Okay, I'm gonna risk sitting up. I don't really want to be stomach down in this anymore. Yeah. How much of my shit fell out?
I'm planning on dropping.
Pretty good.
I thought you had made it, but then I realized you...
Okay, you know what? Gore-Tex boots. These really work. My feet, my socks feel a little damp, but I think that was just because the tops of the boots got wet.
Don't work.
Yeah. Well, we'd certainly hope the Marines have waterproof boots, don't we?
Yeah.
Keep it push. Cover your faces, guys. Cover your faces.
We have face masks.
Well, okay. Okay. It's just me then. It's just me.
That was a push. Hey, we're dead. Good try. They don't mind it.
The dagger, I'm also heading to respawn.
It looks like some of the team managed to get past us, so I think we're good.
Barely.
Maybe.
Alright, there is still a shatter. There's a large distortion on the channel right now. Code 97.
Code 97.
8, 7. Copy that. 404 radio check. 404 to dagger, radio check. Solid copy. Achilles to dagger, radio check.
Ow. I really don't want to walk through that. Where this is Rogue, good check. Walking back to respawn. Dang. Charge, it's at 86%. That's good enough. That'll last us a while.
And that's the end of that. There was another section of the game that I had recorded that was supposed to be here, but unfortunately all of that footage was lost while I was setting up my new PC. Something weird happened with transferring the files over. File recovery didn't help, so that footage is lost to the sands of time. Possibly for the best, considering that this video is already closing in on an hour long at time of editing, and I'm pretty much done with this project. Overall, Operation Downfall was another fun and exhilarating experience from Ballahack Airsoft. Despite all the frustration and headshots, I still had a pretty good time, and I think I can say the same for the rest of my friends. I'm looking forward to what they have planned for 2026, and hopefully I can attend a couple more events like this. If you're watching this and were there on November 8th, please share any stories or moments that you witnessed while on the field that I missed, because I obviously wasn't everywhere at once, so I didn't see everything. Thank yous all around to Achilles, 404, Kestrel, and Kirby for coming along for the ride, and for helping me make my short film House Raid. None of this would have happened without y'all. Also, thank you to Ballahack for hosting the event, and to Discord username Dr. Pavel. He was the Citizens Legion commander, and apparently the brain behind Operation Downfall. He told me that the name Dagger Squad apparently has some history at Ballahack, unrelated to my group, which I wasn't expecting. I think that's incredible. This was certainly the most complicated video I've worked on so far, but it was still pretty enjoyable to make, all told. So I'm going to continue making videos like this every so often, so if you like what you've seen today, stay tuned for more. I'll also do gaming videos and maybe even another short film as well, providing I can pull together something worth making, at least. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.